Welcome to our full guide on navigating the Scotiabank app. Today, we're diving deep into its features that enhance your banking experience. Understanding how to manage your transaction privacy is essential for your financial security. Let's look at why this is so important. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you access your transaction history quickly and easily. You can easily filter or categorize your transactions within the app to better manage your finances. Let's delve into the privacy settings within the Scotiabank app to ensure your information remains secure. It's straightforward to hide or obscure specific transactions from your history. Here's how to do it. Setting up account alerts can significantly minimize unwanted visibility of your transactions. Here are some practical tips for maintaining secure banking practices while using the Scotiabank app. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about transaction privacy that may help clear up any confusion. In conclusion, managing your transaction history is crucial for privacy. We hope you found this guide helpful.